Hello, this is Chris. In this session we're going to cover how to set up the chart of accounts. Under Configuration, Show Management, Chart of Accounts, you get a page that is a list of how the criteria by which you want to track a show. The purpose of the chart of accounts is to provide a means by which you can track the expenses of a show by category. You can create any category you want. These ones here in this list are how this particular show was done. But you can do whatever you want you could put in fuel, you could put in food, furniture, lighting, floor coverings, however you want. You can use the accountant's own, the main show accountant's categories, however you wish. So you just put in a name, let's say furniture, and save it, and it comes into the list. So after you have completed setting up this chart of accounts list, when you go to make a budget, there will be a field with a drop-down list, and these items will be in that list, and you choose one for each item that you're going to put into the budget. For example, if you're going to buy a sofa, you can put it under the furniture account. If it's something that you're spending and doesn't belong in your budget, though, you could put not applied to set deck or not applied to props or whatever department you're in. Also, when you make an expense, such as a check request or a purchase order, there's the same field as on those forums, and you can choose the account, and then that expense is assigned to that account. And at the end of the episode or at the end of the show, you generate a report that's a balance sheet that shows your budgeted expense and your actual expenses and how much you went over or under on that in that account. If you don't want to use the chart of accounts, you don't have to. I suggest you just put in something says, let's say NA here, and on those fields in the budgets and the check requests and the purchase orders and wherever you see this chart of accounts field, just select NA from there and there's no problem. But on some of these forms, the chart of accounts is a required field. It's a mandatory field. You have to put something in there. So just put NA. This feature is not essential to the operation of the program. It's kind of an optional extra. Okay, that's the end of this video. Next, maybe we'll go into this menu here and we'll start with the budget. Thank you.